In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your first app in Lovable. If you're new to Lovable, this is one of the easiest ways to begin building an app, because the platform is designed to turn a simple written idea into a working starting point. You don't need to write a full technical specification right away. Instead, you can begin with plain English and let Lovable guide the setup process from there. To get started, open your Lovable dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the prompt box. This is where you'll describe the app you want to create. Think of this prompt box as the place where your idea becomes the foundation for the project. Click into the prompt box and then describe the app you want to build in clear, simple English. The more direct and specific you are, the better Lovable can understand what you want. For example, you could type something like, create a personal budget tracker with user login, expense categories, charts and a responsive dashboard. This kind of description works well because it explains the main purpose of the app and includes key features. When writing your own prompt, try to mention what the app does, who it's for if that matters, and the core functionality you want included. You don't need to overcomplicate it. A short, clear request is often the best place to start. Once your description is ready, press enter on your keyboard or click the send button. This submits your request and tells Lovable to begin generating the initial version of your app. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Lovable may ask you to confirm details, choose options, or continue through a few guided setup screens. Take your time here and read each prompt carefully so the app is created as closely as possible to what you have in mind. As you go, remember that this first version is just the starting point. The goal is to get your app idea into Lovable quickly so you can refine it afterward. If something isn't perfect on the first try, that's completely normal. You can continue improving the app once the initial structure has been created. And that's it. Starting your first app in Lovable really begins with one simple action: describing your idea clearly. From the dashboard, use the prompt box. Enter your app idea in plain English, send it, and follow the prompts on screen to move through the setup process.